How to turn off an alarm on an Android device. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off an alarm on Android device. To turn off an alarm on an Android device, you will need to simply follow these steps.
If the alarm is currently
Ringing, you will see the options on the screen. You can simply tap on the dismiss option to stop the alarm immediately. And if you have snooze enabled, you may also tap on snooze to delay it for a few seconds or minutes. Also, if you would like to disable a scheduled alarm, then first of all open your clock application and here make sure you tap at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now here you will need to scroll down to find the alarm you want to disable. If you would like to disable the alarm completely, then you will need to simply tap on the toggle switch or the button next to the alarm to turn it off. The switch will turn grey, indicating that the alarm is disabled. And if you'd like to simply edit it, you may simply tap on it and then edit the time and date. And after that, you can tap on the save option at the bottom right in order to save the changes. So this is how you can turn off alarm on Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.